guys, so I'm Sarah Wick. Welcome to For Women by Women. Today we're going to be doing a workout that you can just do anywhere. So we're at our house, we're just using household items. As you can see, we'll be using a bike lock for one of our exercises. I hope you enjoy it. Again, this is going to be a leg workout. It's focused on the back of the legs, so the calves, the hamstrings, and the glutes. Enjoy! As you can see here, we're just using a few items. We have a resistance band, a yoga mat, and our bike lock, just anything that has weight to it.
I've been trying hard to keep my cool, but when you're near, there's nothing that I can do.
Starting with our first exercise, we have your single leg glute bridge. So the difference between this one and a regular glute bridge is you're going to feel this one a little bit more in your hamstrings.
Doesn't even matter how hard I try, cause when I hear your voice, my walls come down. Boy, you are the only thing I want. There must be a way I can make you see that if we fell in love, it would be so sweet. But when it's you and me.
Our second exercise is your single leg deadlift. As you can see, I'm just using a bike lock, so anything you have around the house with weight. You're going to want to engage your core a little bit for this one because there is a balance component. Next we have our calf raise, so any place that you have a little bit of elevation, so stairs or a bench or a chair or anything where your feet can slightly hang off at the end there.
Tell me that you want me, don't play that game, cause I'm not gonna wait here like a fool. There must be a way I can make you see that if we fell in love, you would be so sweet.
So here we have a second option for glute bridges. This is your elevated glute bridge. This one is focusing a lot more on the glutes versus the hamstrings or other parts of your legs.
Bring us down, bring us down, can bring us down, bring us down, can bring us down, bring us down, can bring us down, bring us down. But I don't wanna know if you love me, cause I don't wanna know if you love me.
And lastly, we have our hamstring curls. So you're just wrapping your foot around a band, creating resistance and pulling through towards your butt.
To keep my cool, but when you're near, there's nothing that I can do. When you're walking in, I know it's true. It doesn't even matter how hard I try, cause when I hear your voice, my walls come down. Boy, you are the only thing I want.
Hi ladies, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed our workout. Again, that was for the back of the legs. And again, we're working on videos that you can do absolutely anywhere. So like and subscribe below and find me on Instagram.
Nobody can bring us down, bring us down. But I don't wanna know if you love me.